Weekend warriors and DIY diehards, listen up. You don't have to spend tens of thousands on your kitchen reno. This kitchen is a 70s screamer. The colours are all wrong, but structurally it's in really good nick. With the right specialty products and a bit of hard yakka, this place will go from daggy to designer. 1 coat of White Knight tile and laminate primer, that's the undercoat, followed by 2 coats of the White Knight laminate paint. You can tint it to any colour. This is how your old cabinets can look new again. And the same goes for your bench tops. White Knight bench top protective coating is hard wearing and protects your benches from heat, chemicals and stains. Few finishing touches and this kitchen is almost unrecognisable. Best part of all, we've uplifted the value of this home in just one weekend.